Sunday morning. Good morning, everyone. 16th of November, 2025. Exit 283, Emerson, Georgia. U.S. Highway 293, old U.S. 41 years ago. We've got our ladders for my daughter's house. They're on the top rattling. Catalytic converters underneath the fan rattling. And we're blowing through Emerson faster than we should. Let's pull over and let this guy behind us by. Some guy just blew past us a while ago, a minute ago. Well, you know, get on down through Emerson. They're waiting on you down there. Give you a welcome to Emerson. $200, please and thank you. They didn't pay for all this new stuff up here from sales tax. All them shiny new Dodge Challengers. So y'all just keep on blowing through Emerson. Okay, plan for today. It is about 63 degrees, going to about 70, 35 tonight, 65 tomorrow, back down to about 35. Then Tuesday or Wednesday and Thursday warming up, but showing clouds and rain. It says it's supposed to be clear today, but it doesn't look like it's going to be clear to me. 7:30. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make comments. I get good, bad, and ugly comments. Got a really nice comment yesterday. I really appreciate it. You can't make any money on YouTube. It's nice when you get good comments. Well, I say you can't make any money. You can't break even if you're doing driving videos, riding around anyway. Or I haven't been able to. I need the views, need the watch hours, need the subscribers, the likes, the shares. All that goes into YouTube's metric. We're heading north on Georgia 293. We're headed into Cartersville. We're going to go to Ingles for breakfast. They usually have a good breakfast, cheap. I want to stop by Home Depot. I've got these ladders ratcheted on with the ratchet tie downs. But I'm gonna buy a pack of air conditioning zip ties too, those big heavy duty plastic ones. And put one on the front and back. Gonna get these ladders back to Athens. I'm planning on putting them on that 2019, and then the 2019 and the ladders, trying to sell both of them. I've got some 1964 SS Chevelle or Impala hubcaps with a little red SS in the middle. Heavy duty aluminum. Stainless steel one. That I want 3 to 350 for. I'm going to say 350. I've seen them for as high as 1,000, but I want to sell them. They're not, they look good on Frank's wall, but they're not doing me any good. I've got a set of pillow top 93 to 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee power seats. It's got a little surface rust on the frame, but they're in really good shape. The seats are pristine. I pulled them out of a 93 Grand Cherokee Wagoneer about 15 years ago. They were pristine then, they're still pristine. I've seen them for as much as $2,500 in pristine condition. I want $1,200 for them. I'm trying to sell enough stuff, get enough stuff up to where we can either somehow, some way, get a new van or get a 23, 24, 25 that's still got warranty. I tried to stop and buy that van. They don't want to sell it. It's been sitting out there about a year. I'm trying to get us a new van to take off around the country in. So I don't like asking for money. There have been several people contribute, and they are greatly appreciated. I mean, that's awesome when somebody does that. But if we have the views, the watch hours, that'll take care of itself. We need more views, more watch hours, so we can expand out. I want to get out across the country. Y'all send me ideas. You tell me what you want to see, and I'll try to get video for you. I've done several videos for people. So, ride along with us. See where we go, what we do. If I say something that offends you, don't take it personal. Just running my yap. A lady yesterday, that real nice comment, and she said, you know, it felt just like she was riding around with me in the van on the road trip with me. And that's what I like. I like for trying to make it feel like y'all are in here with me. What do y'all want to eat? You know, where do you want to go? What's going on in Cartersville today? They got RH parking or R parking or something other. They got something going on up here today. A lot of new construction all over Georgia, everywhere we go. Georgia's busting wide open. And some of my comments may offend people in that direction, especially not native Georgians. I'd like to know how many native Georgians are driving on the road versus implants, transplants, whatever you want to call them. I made this comment yesterday. I lost a subscriber. It may have made them mad. If you voted for that mess that's in these liberal states and cities, and now you're tired of it, and you want to get away from it, and you move to Georgia, don't bring that junk with you. Don't come down here and start voting for that same junk that you're leaving for now. Go to Tennessee, Alabama, go somewhere else. Preferably, stay there where you voted for that mess. You stay there and clean it up. And I see how many subscribers we'll lose with that. And you know, this wasn't even going to be about anything like it. I was going to tell you what we were going to do today. Our plan is to go down Johnson Ferry all the way. And we're thinking about coming back up all the way up 400, all the way from where it forks off to 75, 85, come all the way back up 400 to Dahlonega, and then come back across to Gainesville. But we'd also like to go into Decatur. I don't know why I've got a bunch of Decatur video, but I would like to go North Druid Hills from Peachtree all the way down North Druid Hills till it hits Valley Brook. So once again, we don't know what we're going to be doing. We've got a penciled in outline, and that's about as good as I can give you. Need to get these catalytic converters, one of them, squared away. Get these ladders sold, get vans sold, get seats and hubcaps sold. Frank's got some of his workers, or used to work for him, coming over to clean out his containers and reorganize them. I want to get them to clean out that container he's letting me use and reorganize it and decide on what I'm going to throw away, what I'm going to try to sell, what I'm going to keep, but try to get it organized. See if I can figure out a way to run a dehumidifier in there sometime. I wonder if there's well, it doesn't get much sun. Let's see if I could get a solar dehu. That would be good. Got some good stuff in there that's, getting moldy and going bad. I'm going to try to do a live video today, a couple of short videos. So we're about almost at the Ingalls. We still have to stop by the Home Crepo to get those zip ties. So I'm going to turn this off and start uploading it at the Ingalls. So again, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the other side of the Home Crepo.